Aabante na sa semifinals ng PBA 49th Season Governors Cup ang Barangay Ginebra, San Miguel matapos na ma-sweep ang Meralco Bolts. Ang Converge naman naipilit ang Game 4 kontra sa San Miguel Beermen. Yan ang ulat ni Daryl Oclares.
Shoot that. On it. As a Barriento.
Buena man nung nakapasok sa Final Four ng PBA 49th Season Governors Cup Playoffs ang Barangay Ginebra, San Miguel. Matapos na makamit ang commanding 2-0 lead, hindi na nagkatubiling tapusin ng Gen Kings ang serye sa Game 3 nang kanilang patumbahin ang Meralco Bolts kagabi sa score na 114-106. Bumida para sa barangay ang reigning Rookie of the Year na si Stephen Holt na gumawa ng 19 points, 7 rebounds at 5 assists. Samantalang 23 markers naman ang naitala ng kanilang resident import na si Justin Brownlee. Ayon kay Ginebra head coach Tim Cone, hindi niya inaasahan na masisweep nila ang Meralco.
First of all, I'm totally shocked that we were able to beat them in 3 straight games. Each game came, it was a play here or a play there would have changed the whole complexion of the game. Just credit goes to the guys for just really reaching deep. They really, as Stephen just said to me, they really locked in the second half.
Sa ikalawang laro naman, isang buzzer-beating shot mula kay Alex Stockton ang bumuhat sa Converge Fiver Xers para makuha nila ang 114-112 na panalo sa Game 3 kontra sa San Miguel Beermen. Matyagang binura ng Converge ang 27-point lead ng SMB papasok ng 4th quarter upang maiwasan ang sweep at maibulsa ang kauna-unahang panalo ng kupunan sa PBA playoffs. Nanguna sa Fiver Xers si Justin Arana na may 23 points at 11 rebounds habang nagtapos naman si Stockton na may 20 markers, 7 boards at 8 assists. Sa post-game press conference, aminado si Converge head coach Franco Atienza na hindi madaling talunin ng tatlong sunod ang SMB.
It's still far, isa lang to. This is just one of the 3. When you think about it, it's hard na you have to beat that team 3 straight But probably we'll take it yung one game muna sa next Friday.
Daryl Oclares para sa Pambansang TV sa Bagong Pilipinas.